Hey, what's up, future billionaires? Today we're diving into AI tools that can make your job easier, make you, and maybe even the stuff you hate doing. We're talking about automating tedious tasks, boosting productivity, and freeing up your time for the big picture stuff. So buckle up because we're about to explore the AI tools that are going to change the game. First up, we've got Jasper AI. Jasper is like that overachieving intern who never sleeps, churns out incredible work, and somehow still manages to be in a good mood all the time. Need to write a blog post that ranks on Google? Jasper's got you. How about a sales email that actually converts? Consider it done. Or maybe you need engaging Instagram captions. Type a few prompts into Jasper and bam, it's got 10 different versions ready to go. Jasper is constantly learning and evolving, getting smarter with every prompt and piece of feedback. This isn't about being replaced, it's about working. You're managing a digital assistant that cranks out content like a well-oiled, caffeine-fueled machine. Check out Jasper for yourself with the link in the description below. Alright designers, Canva's AI just got crazy smart with its new Magic Studio tools. Need to remove a distracting background from a product photo? Click, boom, gone. Want to create an entire presentation design with just a few keywords? Canva's got your back. Canva can even learn and generate designs that perfectly match your style guide. Think about it. This is like having a whole design team at your fingertips, ready to execute your vision 24/7. No more spending hours tweaking fonts and colors to get that perfect look. Canva integrates with all your favorite tools, so you can seamlessly move from design to marketing to social media without skipping a beat. Try out Canva's Magic Studio with the link in the description. Coders, developers, engineers, this one's for you. We're talking about GitHub Copilot, and it's basically autocomplete on steroids. Imagine this, you're writing code, and Copilot is right there with you, suggesting lines of code in real time. It can help you debug faster, and even write entire functions based on your descriptions. This isn't about replacing your skills, it's about amplifying them. You're still the architect, the visionary. Copilot is just the sidekick that helps you bring your ideas to life faster and more efficiently. Wouldn't you rather focus on the challenging, creative aspects of coding instead of the repetitive stuff? Copilot takes care of the tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. Nobody enjoys spending hours on emails, drowning in spreadsheets, or wrangling meeting schedules. Enter ChatGPT and Zapier, the dynamic duo of automation. ChatGPT can draft professional emails, summarize meetings, and analyze spreadsheets. Zapier connects your most used tools like Gmail, Notion, Slack, and Trello so they can to each other. No more copying and pasting information from one app to another. Zapier automates those workflows. Imagine a new lead fills out a form on your website. Zapier adds their info to your CRM, sends a welcome email drafted by ChatGPT, and creates a task in your project management tool, all automatically. That's the power of automation. Content creators' Descript is about to change your editing game forever. With Descript, you can remove awkward ums and ahs with a single click. And the real mind-blower, you can edit your video by editing the want to rearrange entire sections of your video? Just drag and drop the text in the transcript. Need to change a word or two? Just type it in. And Descript will automatically adjust the audio and video. Descript even has AI-powered features that can generate subtitles, transcribe audio, and create professional-looking animations and transitions. It's like having a whole post-production team living inside your computer. So no, AI isn't here to your job. It's here too, so you can level up, move faster, and maybe log off at 5 p.m. It's about working smarter, not harder, and using these incredible tools to unleash your full creative potential. Let me know in the comments, which AI tool are you using, or which one just blew your mind. Don't forget to, and so you don't miss the future. It's coming fast, and it's looking pretty amazing.